Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one interesting property of binary number. Okay, so in my previous video I have already discussed how you can convert an integer to binary in Python, right? Suppose I am writing x equal to 46, then I am performing then I am converting that integer to binary, that is bin of x I am doing. If I run the code, what I will be getting 101110. Okay, this is what we are getting. Now see one beautiful property of the binary representation of 46 and binary representation of 45, that is 46 minus 1. If we compute bin of 45, we will be getting 101101. What is the pattern in between these two binary number? See, in case of 46, the rightmost set bit is this one, and if you perform the binary representation of 45, what will happen? That from the rightmost set bit of 46, all the bits in the right hand side will be basically reversed. Okay, see, starting from the rightmost set bit, that is this one, all the bits in the right hand side are 1 0, those are basically reversed to 0 1, but in the left hand side here we are having 1 0 1 1, here also 1 0 1 1, so no change. Okay, so this is very important property of binary number. So what is the means property says, suppose you are computing the binary representation of n and you are computing binary representation of n minus 1, then in whatever bit is set in the binary representation of n in the rightmost side, from that all the bits you just flipped in the right hand side, you will be getting the binary representation of n minus 1. Okay, simple example, let me give one more. Suppose x equal to 100. Okay, bin of x I am computing, this one we will be getting. Now what will be then bin or binary representation of 99? Okay, let us first compute using the property. So this is our binary representation of 100, right? So binary representation of 99 should be, this is the rightmost set bit, this should be set to 0 and these two zeros should be set to 1, because what I told you the property, from the rightmost set bit all should be reversed. Okay, so 100 should be 0 1 1. Okay, let us check binary representation of 99. We will be getting 110011. See, rightmost set bit is this one, from there all the things in the right side are reversed, but the left side is remaining unaffected, that is 1100, here also 1100, right? You can check for some other number for satisfaction. Okay, this is very important property of binary number, I just wanted to show you. So we can play with this later. I will be showing some particular problems which can be solved using this particular property. For the time being, this is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.